Okay YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a multifunctional camping lantern slash power bank. Yep, I said power bank. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, subscribe. Alright, now we got all that business and politicking out of the way. Let's get to the video. Okay, we're back. This is the Alpswolf multifunctional camping lantern. You know what I'm saying? This is a great tool for like when them times when the power goes out or you're going camping or something like that. I'm telling you, the power went out on us last night, and I have the larger version, and look, that came in handy. I'm telling you, this is something that you really need to have on standby at home for those times when you have a power outage or you camping or whatever. Let me give you some quick specs on it. Basically, it's IPX4 waterproof, and it has a 400 mAh power bank, so you could use this as a power bank as well to charge up the devices. Flashlight has a red light on it as well, and it has a SOS on there. But we'll get to all that later. But price on this is about $20 on Amazon. So if you're in the market for one of these, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can go and check it out for yourself. All right. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Enough talking. Let's see what we get in the box. All right. Open up the box. Looks like we got a micro USB cord right here, and a little carabiner, and the star of the show. Let's put that to the side for a minute and see what else we got. I guess we got the directions. We might not need the directions for this one right here, but I'll open it up. Let me see. But it don't even open. Yeah, it opens up. So you can pause this and read it for yourself. All right. Let's put it to the side. Put the box to the side and open it up so you can see what it looks like. All right. Nice blue. No, I mean nice orange color, orange and black color scheme. I like that. Got a little carrying handle right here, you know, and it has another handle right here. So if you want to use the carabiner to strap it on. Also, this is the charging port where you could use it to plug the micro USB in there, so you can use it to charge your device, and this is also to charge this device as well. All right, let's look around here some more. Basically got a nice little white, you know, all the way around light, and you got the front. Oh, getting the glare from my light on there. This feels like a little rubber on the ends of it, rubber material, but the rest of it is like hard plastic. So hard plastic. All right, let's close this back up. Let's see if this thing got any juice in it. Okay, we're gonna go top side so we can take a little better look on it. All right, hold tight. All right, we're back. All right, let's take another look at it since we back up top. All right, like I said, nice little handle on it, and let's test out. Before we go any further, let's test out the power bank feature so we see if we can charge a phone with it. So I have another charging cord, a multi-charging cord right here. We got several different inputs on here. Let's see, like this is micro USB, and I got an old note right here. Let's move the carabiner out of the way. Let's see which one. Let's see which one we're gonna use. Let's go ahead and plug it in here. We're gonna use this to power up our cell phone, and you probably can charge up what other devices you have. You know, so you know, not limited to that. Like I said, it's got a 4,000 mAh battery. Let's plug it in. Charging. Look at that. Look at that, charging. It's not fast charging, but it's charging. So something like this will come in clutch. You know, when you're in a tight space, like when the power goes out or you're out camping, you know, you need some juice to power up yourself or your devices. Hey, this will be right on time. Like for $20, $20.99, you can't beat it. So unplug that. Let's move this cell phone out of the way. All right, let's check out some of the light modes right here. All right, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 is the SOS. So yeah, it has 6 different light modes on there. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Matter of fact, let's see how bright it is with the lights off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights off in the studio and see how bright it is. All right, Alexa, turn off studio.
Okay.
All right, I had to give Alexa a minute, because sometimes you start talking, she'll start talking back, and it's just like she's listening to all your business. Anyway, let's turn off the other light. All right, so you see we got it dark in here. All right, let's go ahead and go through the modes again. The flashlight, pretty bright, light me up right here. That's mode 1. Mode 2, so that's like the dimmer one. So mode 1 is the bright for the flashlight part, and mode 2 is the dim it. All right, let's go mode 3. Mode 3 is bright, and you're using it as a lantern. You can use like that, or however you want to use it. All right, that's the brightest setting on mode 3. Mode 4, a little dimmer. Mode 5 is your red light. So if you got your red light out, you know, if you just want to have a red light in your room or whatever, you're out there camping, you know, you don't want to attract no bugs, use the red light. All right, let's go to the last one. It's a strobe. So it's like the SOS or strobe. Let me turn it back to the lantern part and see how bright this is. Look at that. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent for a small lantern like this. It's pretty decent. This is a pretty decent pickup. Let's see. Back on red. Oh, let me turn it back to the brightest one. Yeah, this is pretty bright. Now this is good for a small space, not a large space, but a small space. But you know, it beats any when you're out there in a power outage. Hey, something is better than nothing. All right, let's go ahead and turn these lights back on in the studio. Turn this light off. Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anytime. All
right. So yeah, that was the little brief review of the what is this? The Alpswolf. Yeah, Alpswolf multifunctional camping lantern. Like I say, if you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get one for yourself and get a little bit more information, or if it's something I forgot, and you can just go ahead and check out, click on the link below, and you can check it out for yourself. All right. So now that you made it this far, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend. All right. Everybody, all that helps the channel and helps us grow. So hey, I appreciate everybody taking time out to look at the video. All right, getting a little tongue-tied, trying to rush through things. But like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right? And the message for today is, don't be judgmental and criticizing people. Don't judge and criticize people. Before you think you want to judge and criticize somebody, you might want to turn around and point at yourself and take a look at yourself and see the things that you've done and see how your life is before you start judging somebody else. Judge yourself before you judge somebody else. So don't even judge nobody else, all right? Don't be a judgmental person, and don't be a gossiper. That's another thing. Don't be a gossiper neither. Don't be judgmental. Don't be gossiping. Don't be critical, all right? Don't be criticizing. Before you do that, criticize yourself, because nobody's perfect, all right? All right. This has been your boy Mark, Flu Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.